We have returned to the bowling center today. Second day qualifying. I'm currently the cut number for the cash, and it's not the best. But today's a new day. We're only halfway through the tournament. We're bowling on Dragon today.
You're on 35.
Oh, that pair's walled. Okay, yeah, we're off to a good start. I'm bowling 300 first game. Guys, if we want to talk about adversity, this is one of those weeks. It's hard. It's really hard to deal with. I just bowled 205. One open, I 7-9. I strike there, I bowled 240. And that's just been the whole week so far. I bowled a couple of good games-ish. I had a 230 and a 240. 240 was on one of the most walled pairs in the house, so I was supposed to bowl good. The 230, I got unbelievably lucky other than that. So good games are the same as the bad games. And you just have to deal with it. Because if you don't learn how to deal with this, then you don't really deserve to bowl good. I'm just gonna keep making the best shots I can, whatever happens, happens. And it's just, I'm getting tired. Because the battery's about to die and I left all the batteries in my backpack, but that block went terrible again. That's 3 bad blocks in a row, and I'm convinced that it's just not my weekend. Made a lot of adjustments that I felt like made sense, and it's just not working out this week. So I'm just gonna do my best to get a check, and we'll go practice. But we got one more block tonight. Hopefully, I'll bowl good enough for money. We got one more set, 7 games, 400 over is in the cards. Good, maybe not. I don't know. We never know. 7 games. I'm just gonna try my best, guys. That's all I can do. But regardless, like I said, you know, we ride the highs and the lows, and we just gotta deal with it. You know, we enjoy the highs, and then we just grind out the lows. And this is where we learn. It's a learning day. But as long as there's games left, we're gonna keep trying, and you just never know. You never know. Right? Hit it nicer, yeah.
Flip it soft. Flip it soft.
What am I, like even for the block now or something? Hopefully we can just keep doing what we're doing. Managing pretty good now. Finally had a good couple of games. We got one more game on the good end, so let's make it a good one before we make the turn. I'm like plus, what, 30, 40 for the block? And that 140 game 1. Don't quit, kids. Always try your best. That's the show. What is it? Tez, Belmo, Wesley Lowe, Jake, and Butters. He's not Jake, he's Butters. Anyways, bowled really good that last block. Started with 140, got to 86 over for the block, which I'm very happy about. It was a nice little comeback. Focus, focus, focus. Not the greatest weekend. We had about 170 over for a 5-game stretch. I get about 2 weeks off. I'm probably going to bowl a regional in between. So we're going to get a lot of practice in. We're going to work on the things that we could definitely do better. Hopefully we'll win a regional, and then we'll get back out there for the US Open. So expect a regional vlog. Should be a good one. The Shannon Cannon will be back. He's bowling. We'll get ready for the US Open. With that being said, that's it from the Players Championship. We learned a lot. Ended on a high note. Bye.